Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to record yourself presenting a PowerPoint for YouTube videos. So guys, first thing is have a screen recorder. So I recommend going for the obsproject.com and just simply download this software and just simply select Windows, Mac OS, or Linux depending on your software. And now guys, as you can see, I am currently using this one. Now, from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings over here. And after that, go to the audio. And if you have a mic, make sure to select your mic from here. And now, another option that you might want to consider is having a webcam. So from here, I have a display capture, which is capturing my desktop. And now if you want to add another one, you could just simply select this plus button. And from here, go for the video capture device. And after that, just simply click on OK. And from here, just simply select your webcam. And as of now, I don't have a webcam. But if you do, you should be able to select your device over here and click on OK. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and resize this one. And from here, you could put yourself at the bottom, and after that, you could just simply go ahead and make sure to enable these two, display capture and video capture, and make sure it is not hidden. And now, just simply go to your presentation. And after that, guys, as you can see, this will be the preview, and you will have your webcam over here. And you could just simply start presenting, and you should be able to present like in YouTube. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.